Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage. Today I'm going to show you how I linseed oil my wooden handled tools to prolong their life so I can have them for many years to come. Over the years I've acquired all of these wooden handled tools from garage sales and clearance sales and even a second-hand store, one of them. Early on I wrote a list of tools that I would need around here to help me with the jobs that I wanted to do. And so whenever I happened to be at a garage sale, I would know what I needed and not buy what I didn't need. I am partial to the older tools. I find the quality in the steel is better, and I love the wooden handles too. And if you look after them by linseeding them every year, then they're going to last a lot longer. This axe really doesn't even need to be done yet because it's still got linseed oil in it and it looks quite healthy. But I'll still give it a coat anyway. Whereas this rake is the latest addition that I just scored this week, and so it's probably never seen linseed oil in its life. So this is what I do. If the tool has dirt on it, I'll give it a wash and let that dry properly to make sure there's no water residue left on the tool. I use the same bowl every year for my linseed oil, and I'll just pour a little bit in and paint it on. You want to make sure you cover all of the wood and let it soak right in. You're basically feeding the wood. You're getting right into those cracks. Now all you need to do is let that soak in so that it's touch dry and that all the oils have been absorbed by that wood. I'll paint the rest of these tools up and you leave your questions and comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.